Hello friends, this is Pigeon induction stove. This set is not getting on. Okay, let's check, and physical damage is to be checked first. Then we go to the board and use the meter. Okay, the
The supply
this is the supply points, and these two lines.
this is the fuse.
This is the fuse. Fuse is here, and these two lines are going to the bridge rectifier input, that is AC. Okay, let's take a multimeter and check it. We put in the meter in the continuity section. Okay, here is the AC supply. I can see the supply line, there is no short, and here is a fuse. See, now this is phase and this is neutral, like the fuse is gone. Okay, the fuse is blown off because of this line is shorted. Okay, these two lines are goes to this bridge rectification input. This is AC input. We get a DC output here. See, here is a short is shown. Okay, why the here short is shown? See, this is the MOSFET. First we check the MOSFET. This is gate, this is source, this is drain. Okay, see, these two drain and source are get shorted. Okay, let's open this MOSFET and check it whether these two are showing short. Okay, let's check what the complaint is. Okay, we can remove the MOSFET by a desolder pump. Okay, okay, we can open this MOSFET. See here, this is the gate, this is source, drain. Source drain is shorted. Okay, shorted, that's why the set is not getting on. and the fuse is blown out for that purpose. Now we can see the supply of the bridge rectification. See, there is no short. Okay, we put the MOSFET and check it, the system. See, here is the 15N120. This is the MOSFET. This is 20N135. Okay, it is suited. Let's put a MOSFET. We put a heatsink paste for dissipating heat from the transistor and this bridge rectifier. Then the system is working properly. Otherwise, the space are getting heat quickly and blown off. Okay, we soldered this MOSFET. We can't cut the strip because the heat sink is its heat is dissipated here also. Okay, for that purpose the terminals are left like this. Okay, and we remove this fuse. This is 10 amps fuse. This is also a 10 amps fuse. Okay, I putting this fuse here. Okay, and clean the board by the NC thinner. Okay, here we check the phase and neutral of the wire. Phase and neutral of the wire, there is no short. Okay, here is there is no short. One side is given because of positive supply. This is DC supply, it is given. In here the AC supply is input for this bridge rectifier. Here there is no short. Okay, now the system is good. Okay, let's fit and check the unit. Okay, let's put the panel connection. Let's put a supply in the series connection C. Okay, EO error, there is no plate. Okay, let's check the put a plate. It put the supply. Okay, the water is warming. See, okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you once again.